In addition to company searches, TradeWind AI offers several ways to find contacts. For instance, using the Search Domains feature, simply enter a prospect's website or company name to retrieve their contact information in seconds. You can identify target customers by their job title and location, then click the Unlock button to reveal their contact details. Emails and phone numbers are displayed instantly, while social media icons link directly to their profiles. Different subscription plans include a set number of unlocked credits. The Search Exhibitors feature is perfect for quickly connecting with exhibitors at international trade shows. For instance, to find exhibitors from the upcoming CES in USA, simply enter the event's name and country. From there, the process is similar to our Search Companies feature. Select an email template, and our AI will automatically find and send outreach emails to the exhibitors. The Search Projects feature is designed for businesses in large-scale equipment and engineering. Simply enter project keywords like oil and gas or renewable energy, then select a target country. Our AI scans public sources including news outlets, tender platforms, and industry websites to gather project intelligence. This helps you identify the key companies and decision-makers behind major projects for highly targeted outreach. To begin, just select an email template and create your outreach task. Our Upload directory is a powerful feature for turning lists into leads. To start, create an outreach task by uploading your files, such as exhibition directories or company databases. Our AI automatically extracts the company data and initiates batch emails and WhatsApp follow-ups. For Pro subscribers, activating the AI-enhanced search takes this a step further. The system will find additional contacts for each company, prioritizing executives and key decision-makers to significantly boost your prospecting efficiency. Use Upload business cards to turn physical cards into active leads. Just snap a photo of any business card, and our AI will instantly scan the information and initiate an automated email campaign. Multi-language recognition is fully supported. For deeper prospecting, enable AI-enhanced search. Our AI uses the company details from the card to uncover additional contacts. This means even a single card from a sales rep can help you map out the key players within their organization. Once uploaded, simply choose a template to launch your campaign. All created tasks can be viewed and managed in Data Center campaigns. For a detailed guide, please watch the dashboard and CRM tutorial video.